This is Janita Martinez, administrator from Law Office of Daryl Williams. Again here talking to you about the coverage. This is going to be an English version. I want to start by thanking you for being part of our page. If you need anything, please feel free to send us a message. We're always available to answer any questions you may have. The conversation or the discussion that we're going to have tonight is about coverage on your automobile policy. A lot of clients or a lot of people think that when they purchase their insurance through the agency or through the insurance companies, the word full coverage fully covers you in every way when you're in an unfortunate automobile collision. It's not correct. So I want to explain to you what full coverage really means. Full coverage pretty much includes liability, which is what the law requires in the state of California, and comp and collision. Comp and collision will cover your vehicle's damages, either if it's repair or if it's total loss, by your own insurance company. If you are at fault or if you're not at fault, it will still cover you. But those are the only two coverage you have under full coverage. One of the coverage that I want to discuss with you tonight that it's very important that you add, it's called uninsured motorist. What does that mean? If you are involved in an accident where the person that caused you the damages doesn't have insurance, and there's unfortunately many situations like that. There could be several reasons why a person doesn't have insurance on their car. One, it may be because they're driving somebody else's car. They don't have permission to be driving that vehicle. Or number two, it's a stolen car. We've had cases like that. Or three, some people allowed their children or their family members or friends to drive the car when they're actually excluded from the policy. So what happens next? When you're injured, you have no transportation, you're frustrated, you're in pain, you can't work, so you're having all these kind of losses because of this unfortunate accident. And on top of that, the liable person doesn't have insurance to cover you. So it's very important that you look after yourself and you add uninsured motorist to your policy. A lot of people, once again, think that full coverage is everything. It's not, okay? So to us as a law firm, it's very important that we put you aware of what you really need. There's a lot of other coverage that we may discuss at a later time, but this is one of the most important ones that you definitely need to have. One more thing about uninsured motorists, there's all kinds of coverage when it comes to UM in dollar wise. So I would suggest that based on your financials, you add as much as you can, because it's unfortunate that we're all at risk of an unfortunate accident any day. Hopefully that's not the case, but it's important that you're aware of what you really need to cover yourself and your family. The last thing I wanted to share with you tonight, we recently found out that Access General Insurance Company has filed for bankruptcy. This is something that I didn't discuss in Spanish, but I probably will discuss that at a later time with our Spanish-speaking clients. So be aware that Access General Insurance has filed bankruptcy, and it's gonna be a problem for those people that have insurance through them. Any questions that you have, please feel free to give us a call or send us a message. We're always available to take care of you. Thank you for watching. You have a good evening.